We are the Centre for Additive Layer Manufacturing, the leading research centre for additive manufacturing with high-performance polymers and compounds. We work with industry partners across a wide range of materials and manufacturing research challenges to define and develop the future of high-performance polymers in additive manufacturing. High-performance polymers and their compounds include polymers that work at high operating temperatures and deliver top mechanical performance. Our aim is to fully understand material-process interactions so that we can accurately correlate, predict, and model process parameters and properties of parts. Ultimately, this helps our partners to develop high-performance polymers and parts tailored for the wide range of technologies emerging in the additive manufacturing field. New polymer and compound development in powder or filament form is our highest priority. The first challenge in powder bed processing is achieving the right powder flow, a very complex research area in which we've invested significantly in state-of-the-art equipment and expertise. Achieving isotropic properties in AM polymeric parts is extremely difficult. We understand the thermal environment requirements and have ways to replicate processes to achieve higher Z strength. We support optimized manufacturing through refinement of pre-treatment, processing, and post-treatment phases. With a fleet of state-of-the-art high-temperature powder bed and material extrusion systems, we carry out research into manufacturing for optimum part performance. Using statistical analysis of datasets and novel analytical methods, we're improving our understanding in AM. The long-term aim is a full end-to-end digital model, integrated with sensors and feedback to provide a complete digital twin of operations. Key to this success and further improving our knowledge of materials and processes is working closely with a wide range of industrial partners, such as the Knowledge Transfer Partnership with Sartorius.
Sartorius are a company which provide hardware to biopharmaceutical companies across the world that they use in both the development and production of drugs, medicines and therapies. What's going to happen in the world of biotech is what's already happened in aerospace and automotive, where you have conservative industries with lots of barriers in terms of adoption and familiarity. Now, the thing that's limiting those applications at the moment is materials, and this is where the expertise and work of the Exeter Technology Group are absolutely key. These are the barriers that we need to knock down, and they have the key to unlocking them.
A surge in new materials and new equipment, combined with ever-evolving knowledge of processes, is allowing new possibilities to be explored and developed, making this an exciting time for high-performance polymeric and composite additive manufacturing. Come and join us on this exciting journey.